In this lecture, we'll talk about time travel and about an interesting connection between time travel and free will. We'll start by considering the question of whether time travel is consistent and discuss the grandfather paradox. We'll then talk about what a system of laws might look like if it is to allow for time travel while excluding paradox. After that, we'll turn to free will. We'll consider the question of what it is to act freely and of whether the grandfather paradox entails that a time traveler cannot act freely. So, what is time travel? In a sense, everyone travels in time. We travel into the future at a rate of 1 second per second. Here, however, we're going to use time travel to talk about extraordinary cases of time travel, in which there is a discrepancy between, on the one hand, the start time and end time of the journey, and on the other hand, the duration of the journey as measured from the perspective of the traveler. So suppose that it takes you 10 seconds to travel 10 years into the future. Then you're a time traveler. Or suppose that it takes you 1 second to travel to the past. Then again, you're a time traveler because there is a discrepancy between the length of your journey as measured by its start time and end time and the length of the journey as measured from your perspective. So again, you will be counted as time travelers in our sense. Now, note that to measure time from your perspective is not the same as measuring time using your experience of time. Otherwise, being a time traveler would require no more than sitting through a super boring lecture. The relevant measurement is what would be recorded by a clock that accompanies the traveler. Now, this characterization of time travel is not perfect. In particular, it does not deliver the right results in certain relativistic scenarios. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for present purposes.